Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender.
What? So, it is now, what time is it? 10:55. And so what happened was this morning is I had one Zoom class at 8 a.m., Zumba class at 8 a.m. on Zoom, and then I just so happened to have another one at 10. But in the middle of that, I did some weightlifting and stuff, so now I'm pretty much done for the day. But, like, the whole time, she was, like, barking, and I don't know why, and I thought it was because she needed water. Hold on. You need water? Here, no? I got this water bottle. Kind of looks like a baby bottle, but you just press the button, and if they want water, it's like for the people that go on, like, hikes with their dog or whatever. Hold on, now that she doesn't want it, let me put it down. Hey, guys. It is 2 o'clock, literally. So I don't even know the last thing that what? I'm so tired. No, yes, I do know what it was. I was telling you that the dogs were going nuts because during my Zumba, Hope was barking, and then I was showing you the water bottle. And the reason why I got the water bottle is because since she's been injured, she doesn't really, like, get up and walk to the water bowl anymore. Which, like, I mean, we always have around, like, I think it's like a gallon size one. It's huge. But I have that little water bottle for her. But now she just, like, whines, and I'm like, oh, well, you have to go outside, like, blah, 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 I don't know. But speaking of her injury, hopefully, we'll have some good news on that front when she goes to the vet next week. It was supposed to be the week that she got her haircut, but that took a lot out of her. And then the vet appointment was supposed to be the next day. And she just wasn't moving around well after the hair appointment. So it just didn't seem like fair to do 2 things. But anywho, I'm telling you, this is the time of the year where you're going to get like 5-second clips because number one, there's been like a buzzing machine outside all day. It's driving me nuts. I don't know if it's driving. Hold on, my mom's calling me. Sorry. Those of you who are also disabled know that you have to answer your parent or caregiver or whatever when they call, because if not, I think you're like on the floor. So, which with my track record, it's plausible. Well, not from the chair, but like, you know. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, there's like I can even hear it right now. There's like a buzzing machine. You know, like those machines that like cut trees and then you like put them in to make them like wood chips or whatever. It's like that kind of thing. But I also can't tell if it's like a lawnmower or something. But literally it's been going on and on and on all day. And then it's like fake spring here in New England / Connecticut. So it's like colder in the morning. I mean, I'm still cold, so I'm wearing a sweatshirt. I actually have Ugg boots on too, but it's like fake spring. So it's like colder in the morning and then it's like nice out. So everybody has their windows open. And then I live in a neighborhood of old people. Well, actually, my neighbor has 3 young kids. So my neighbor has 3 young kids, and then it's me, and then it's majority old people. So anyways, but you know, everybody's getting their power walk in, or they're taking their dog for a walk, or, you know, their grandkid or whatever. And so, you know, my welcoming community has to let me know, which honestly, like, a lot of people have opinions about dogs barking, and, like, yes, it's kind of loud and annoying, and, like, yes, there's ordinances about it or whatever, but my dog, my doodle, which, people hate on dogs too, breeds, but whatever. My dog, she barks from, like, when you're here to here, and then, like, once you physically pass our house, like, she's fine. She just doesn't like people, like, right in her line sight that she doesn't know who they are. But, I don't know, I like that, because it's, like, I can't always see with the Ring camera because of the angle of the ramp. So, like, if I hear her, it's like, oh, and then she stops. It's, like, fine. So, yeah, and then I always tend to let them out in the afternoon anyway because they get treats from the mailman. So, anyway, yeah. But, this is the time where there's going to be a lot of jump cuts in the video because it's going to be like dogs barking. And I would hate to set off your welcoming committees because I know a lot of you have dogs too. But anyways, yeah, it's currently 51 degrees right now. So, it's a nice day out. Oh, also, what was the other thing that happened? We got the air conditioner, like, cleaned or looked at or something. And apparently, like, something broke off of it, like, or chipped or whatever, but it wasn't, like, too bad. And they were like, oh, well, if it breaks, I don't know how we're gonna get the parts, because apparently they don't make our air conditioner anymore. Oops. But anyway, it's, like, one of the, I don't even know if you can see it. Yeah. It's, like, that one. It's, like, in the wall. It's the one I have in my room, too. But, anyway, but yeah. And then today is actually my Aunt Rachel's birthday. She's 50. So that's fun. She is the youngest of my mom's siblings. So that's wild. And then it's also my uncle's birthday on the other side of the family. I don't know how old he is, though. Anyway, but speaking of my aunt, we're having a big party for her on, oh God, is it Saturday? No. So, my brain is scrambled eggs. I don't know if it's the time change or I just have, like, brain fog or whatever. I don't know what it is. Or just, like, I don't even know. But I just, like, can't, I don't even know if I'm coming or going. I can't remember what day it is. Like, what we have planned for the day or whatever. I'm just like, oh my God. Anyway, so truth of the nature is we have 2 social interactions this weekend. We have St. Patrick's Day party that my aunt throws annually. It's the one that lives in my grandma's old house, the house that my mom grew up in. So I have to walk up like 12, no, like 7 stairs, but they're like the cement stairs. So yeah, I have to walk up those. It's honestly, I would say it's harder going down them, like at the end of the day, because I don't want to fall. So, but it's fine. I have like 4 cousins who are firefighters, and then 2 uncles that are firefighters too. So if I do fall, it's fine. I mean, it's not fun. Like it's not fine, but at least hopefully it won't be frigid cold like it is usually at Christmas, where it's like I have to go up and like my breath gets taken away because it's cold. And then I have lost a little bit of weight since last year, so hopefully it's not like as cardio taxing and more just like physical taxing because my body is broken. But anyway, yeah, and then so I want to say that's on Saturday. Oops, somebody's walking by. I want to say that's on Saturday, and then Sunday we have my aunt's birthday, I feel.